Hey guys, Rampito Vic here. Yeah, give a run down that fuse slash relay box. I finally finished it up. So hold on a sec. We're gonna talk through it. Yeah, I know. It looks like a big old plate of spaghetti. But there's methods to this madness. But first, go beat the brakes off that pig. Beat it! Alright, just playing. Come on. Alright. Got the relay box done. Cut a lot of this stuff out of the relay box I didn't need. Because yes, there's 6 relays, which I can always reattach this later if need be. I'm basically only going to use this relay for now. Alright, relay 1. This is going to be for the air conditioning. Which I still have to get the body control module and the AC module and stuff out of the Gen 4. That way I can hook up my AC and stuff. But got the AC there, which is going to be this one right here. This is going to be my AC right here. Because if you look, these are actually numbered. See, 2, 1 is ground, but this is actually 1 for the relay. So all I got to do is hook up the trigger wire to the white, out going to the AC compressor, and then once I get everything else done, this will fire the AC. Now I got everything else on here. See, got all my other legs. See, got all my other legs on here. Bank 1, bank 2. You know, so I know it looks like a jumbled mess, but look, it's all in one nice little clump. I will be wrapping that up and putting sheets and stuff on it eventually, but not right now. I want to get it in the car first, make sure everything's laid out where I want it, connected, and then I'll start finalizing the harness with putting the wrap on it. What I am going to do is go around and start, you know, strapping it and taping it, making sure everything's nice and tight, like right here. Little pieces of tape and everything, and just go through it, makes everything nice and tight and snug, and not like this. You definitely don't want it floppy like this. So, but anyways, if you look, these are my pedal wires. This is my middle light, check engine light, you know, malfunction indicator light. I just got to figure out what these 2 brown wires are. Well, one brown and black, coming from the transmission. I know it's data, but I got to figure out what to do with those. Got my middle light, got my ground, and these go to the pedal. So I got to run these inside the car. The reason why I got the check engine light here, because I need to run it with these into the car. Right? High-speed fan relay. This is the trigger off of the GM computer. Now what I'm going to do is pull the trigger wire off of the Ford computer and connect this to the wire so we can use the 70 amp relay and fuse going to my fan that's already in the Crown Vic. The system's already there, so I'm not going to play with it. I'm going to hook this up and hope it works. Same thing with the fuel pump relay. I got the fuel pump relay trigger right here. I'm going to pull the wire out of the Ford computer, connect it right here, so the GM computer can fire off the fuel pump relay and everything and run the fuel pump. The system's already there, so why mess with it? Why run new wires and stuff when I don't need to? If it doesn't work, then I'll cross that bridge when I get there. Aux sensor, don't need it. I already got one, don't need a bunch. And this is my ground. So I know it looks like spaghetti, but all the wires are laid. Pedal, fan, fuel pump, garbage, ground. See what I mean? This is the low speed fan switch. I'm probably not going to need that because I got 1 fan. So instead of running 2 fans, I only got the 1 from the Crown Vic. Now that fan from the Crown Vic pumps out some air. So I'm going to run that and go from there. I'm going to run the factory Ford radiator, Ford fan, Ford AC condenser and all that stuff, and have custom lines made. So, and then I used just a temporary, until I can find one that's waterproof. This is for the constant. This is the constant to the computer. So single wire. So I'm just going to do the 1 for now, hook it to the power, and leave that alone. Once I find a little one that's waterproof, then I'll do it. Because these, like I wanted, and well, this wire right here, once you hook the wires to this, it feeds the whole bar on one side. The whole side's fed. Then all you do is put the fuse in and hook your wires out. So I can't really use that for the constant One wire feeds these three, one wire feeds these three. Well, obviously I can't make them all, you know, three of them constant because I only need one. That'd be a waste of time. So, not going to do it. That's why I did my single. Just did my single for now. I mean, I could change it later and make it into something nice. Or just put an inline fuse and hook it to a so as I think of the name. Anyways, a board where you hook the power to it and you can hook up all the different powers constant from the battery. So that's what I did. That's what I got. That's where I'm at. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Show you what I've got done. The fuse box finally done, except actually putting it in the car and actually connecting it. So like I said, I'm not finalizing it until I can do that, but I am going to tighten the harness up so when I put it in the car, it's not such a mess. But other than that, that's it. It's done. It's done as far as I can get it until I actually drop it in the car. So, hey, more to come. Alley Cat, get in bed. You know you got school tomorrow. Right? Right? Alright guys. Keep at it. Get off your couch. Go out there whether you want to or not. Actually do it, because if you don't, never get done if you wait till you actually feel like doing it. So anyways guys, there she is. Deuces.